When we launched ibizresources.com in 1999, it never occurred to anyone that by 2012 the vast majority of online searches would be for local goods and services. The World Wide Web not only connects us globally, it makes doing business up and down Main Street easier and more cost-effective. That's why we created this website, to help you find what you're looking for, whether you're considering products or services from around town or around the country, local merchants in your area, listings updated daily. Expand your search to the top 50 U.S. cities. We hope our videos help you become a more savvy consumer. By the way, we're using a voice recognition robot for this presentation. After listening, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Okay, let's get started.
HVAC prices can sometimes put people off, but, dollar for dollar, there isn't a better or more important investment you can make in your home. That's because your heating and air conditioning system isn't just about making the climate more pleasant, it can also improve air quality, helping to make the air you breathe healthier. Many allergies and illnesses are caused or exacerbated by airborne irritants. A good home heating and air conditioning system can help to minimize these pollutants and improve air quality. Air filters block out pollutants, and humidifiers keep the air from becoming too dry, which can also be bad for your health. Of course, air that is too moist can carry its own set of problems, most notably the growth of mold. In order to fight this, your heating and air conditioning system can be equipped to help inhibit mold production. Ductwork is the main culprit in driving costs up, but if you have existing ductwork for your home's heating system, it is possible to use it for air conditioning as well. That can help to keep costs much more manageable. But considering the potential cost to the health of you and your family, why not do everything you can to ensure that the environment in your home is both temperate and pollutant-free?
Thanks for investing your valuable time with us here today. Business leaders and consumers alike know that when they make better decisions, they get better results. Get the information you need to make better buying decisions by locating merchants in your area, exploring listings that are updated daily, and expanding your search beyond your immediate area. Visit our website for more information or to read the unabridged version of this original article by clicking the link in the description area below. Until next time, all the best.